1.25 in diameter black drain plug to stop water infiltration. Easy to install. Widely fits most kinds of kayaks. Made of high-quality material that prevents water infiltration. Kayak replacement hardware. Screwed directly into hull. Molded nylon. You can also use the Pelican bilge pump to drain or remove excess water. Top reviews from the United States. Good OEM replacement plug. Very happy with this plug. I have been using a piece of hose with a bolt in it for years because I couldn't find one for sale anywhere. I saw this and was skeptical because it had no reviews. I had no issues with the sale. The product came in OEM packaging, it fits perfect and was an exact replacement.